Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear RAM cache on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you need to do is just right click on your taskbar and then just go to Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, we will be able to see our cached RAM. Just expand this. After that, just go to Performance and then select Memory. And under here, you'll see your cached RAM. As you can see, my total RAM is 16 GB and out of which 5 GB almost is used as cached. So we need to get this down. To do this, what we need to do is just go ahead and open up our browser. Then on Google, search RAM map. Then just go to the first website from Microsoft. Then just scroll down a bit and you'll see download RAM map. This is a very small software. It will just download in 2 seconds. Just click on it and there you go. It has been downloaded. Then just click on it to open it. After that, you need to click on RAM map 64. Click on run. Click on yes if it asks for permission. Then click on agree. Then just wait, it will load. You can minimize all the window in the background. Make sure to keep your task manager on so that we can see how our cache RAM is becoming less and less. After that, what you need to do is from here on the top menu, just go to empty. And from here, you just need to click on empty standby list. And make sure to look at our cache RAM. It will go and become really small. Just click on this empty standby list and look at our cache RAM. As you can see, from 5 GB, it jumped down to MBs. And this is going to help the gamers. You can do, if your cache RAM is cluttered too much here, you can do this multiple of time. And if you do it, it will help your system. And basically that is how to clear your cache RAM on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.